Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pom。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling.And I just read recently that there was a music award, and it's called the Hakka Original Music Awards. It happened, I think, earlier this year. 其实今年呢，听说有一个原创音乐大奖哦，在1月的时候呢，这个已经颁奖了，对不对？而且听说得到这个客语音乐的首奖呢，是一位叫做林之君的朋友，对不对？Heard she's very, very, very talented, and that's why she won this year's award. And on top of that, which is very interesting.And I think more power to her is because she is actually visually impaired.
失踪者。
失踪者 ，OK， 就是 visually impaired 视障者。
其实失踪者不过嘞，他懂有心。
懂有心，
很有心。
你对他的故事背景有比较了解一点，不是？
我有一看一下。
真的吗 ？Alice is saying that she knows a little bit more about this winner. Tell us about her.
因为佢要接着利用2年的时间，利用假日的时间。
OK。
去那个养老院表演。
养老院。
养老院。
养老院。Okay, she's saying the winner actually uses her own spare time, maybe after work or during the weekends, and she would go to like the homes of senior citizens or charities, maybe to do performances.
唱歌的本人堂啊。
什么叫本人堂？
就是给人家听啊。
唱给人家听就对了。
感通自家，也要感通朋友。
这句话有
感动自己之外，还要来感动别人。
That is a very good line. I kind of like that. Okay, so it seems like the winner, again, her name is Lin Zhijun. She has a very good heart and a very good talent as well. That's why she won. Again, she uses her spare time. Whenever she's got free time, she goes to different charities to do performances. And Alice was telling me a line, in order to affect others, you would have to start within your own heart.And I think that's very good. 那句话再讲一次。
感通自家，
感通自家，
要来感通朋友，
要来感通
朋友，
朋友，朋友是
别人，
别人不是朋友。Pinning 别人. So that's a very good line. There you go. Anyways, if you'd like to hear more of Ling Zhijun and other Hakka music, you can always go to the Hakka Radio website to find out more. 所以听说呢，我们也可以上这个哈克的广播网站呢，可以查询到更多的相关资料，对不对？
错，哈哈广播网站。
Anyways, that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.